Smart viewers, did you know that Mumbai has its own equivalent of Kolkata's College Street? Welcome to Fort Book Street. This book street is situated right across the iconic Flora Fountain, and whether you're a local or a tourist just visiting Mumbai for a day or two, this is a must visit for all of you. Here you can find a variety of titles ranging from all of your popular best-selling novels to some lesser-known titles. The starting price of the books are ₹100 and the prices can go higher up, they can vary, but there's always room for bargaining. I found a treasure trove of classics at this bookstall right here. There's Charles Dickens, Great Expectations, there's Emily Bronte, there is Jonathan Swift, Jane Austen, and he has a lot of used second-hand classics as well. And all of these start at just ₹100. I'm going crazy shopping for classics here. For all you comic book lovers, this store has a great collection of your manga comics. Now you can see these box sets of Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, and he has a lot of different varieties. So this one box set will have 27 such comics, and this will cost you 2,700. You can bargain a little bit. If you are somebody who is interested to know more about the history and culture of Bombay as a city, a lot of these stores also stock books based on Bombay, just like this one here. This one is called A Room in Bombay and Other Stories, and these books start at ₹200 but negotiate. Considered to be a Bible for all those of you who are interested to know more about the history of Bombay. Bombay, The Cities Within by Sharda Dwivedi and Rahul Mehrotra is a very difficult to find book, and even if you manage to find it online, it's probably priced at ₹4,000. But here you'll get it priced at just ₹2,500. It's a steal deal. Pick it up. If you live in Bombay and you want a beautiful coffee table book to entertain your guests when they come over, I would recommend this one, A City Icon, which gives you a beautiful insight into the architecture of Mumbai monuments. This will cost you just ₹1,500. For a coffee table book, not bad at all. History of Shivaji Park, a biography of Bombay, heritage walks of Mumbai, they literally have books on everything Bombay. Are you a fan of K-pop? Well, I know most of you are, so you can also find some really good books talking about the history of Korean pop bands. Here I found a treasure talking about BTS. Anyone who is familiar with printed Times of India is of course familiar with the name R.K. Lakshman. Here you'll find this book detailing all of his artworks right from the year 1948 till the most recent ones. Take a look, it's the entire collection. This is awesome. This took me straight back to my childhood. Tinkle Digest, priced at just ₹30. If you are somebody who loves to read mythology, they also have a great collection of mythological books. You have, of course, a lot of titles on Hindu mythology, but I've also found some really good ones detailing Greek mythology. I found the Song of Achilles. I found another novel called Circe, which details stories from Greek mythology. This one is really interesting. I'm thinking of picking this up. Fiction, non-fiction, self-help, mythology, history, this book street is every bibliophile's dream. So I've noticed that whenever you see any videos or read any articles on shopping in Mumbai, there's always only a mention of clothing, accessories and food, right? But shopping is not just that. Shopping is also buying some wholesome books. So whenever you're in Bombay next, please make a quick stop at the Fort Book Street. I promise you'll enjoy it. This is me, Tanvi Dixit, signing off for now. I'll be back with another such video. Until then, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe.